In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple listings on eBay fast. This process is designed to help you efficiently manage your eBay inventory and make it easy for customers to purchase multiple items from a single listing. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your eBay seller account. Head over to www.ebay.com and sign in with your credentials. This is your gateway to managing all your listings, so it's crucial to start here. Once you're logged in, look to the top right of your screen and click on the Sell button. This is your entry point to starting a new listing. From here, select List an Item and begin entering your product details. This is where you can showcase what you're selling, so take your time to fill this section out accurately. Now it's time to enter your item information. Fill out the title, category, description, and condition of your item, just like you would for a single listing. Be sure to include clear, high-quality photos, as these can significantly impact buyers' decisions to purchase. Next, let's move on to setting the quantity of your listing. In the Selling Details section, you'll find an area labeled Quantity. Here, you can enter how many of each item you have available, whether that's 10, 50, or even 100. This feature allows buyers the flexibility to purchase multiple units from the same listing, streamlining the shopping experience. If your items come in different variations, such as size or color, you can add these as optional variations. Click Create Variations and input the different options available, like size categories such as small, medium, or large, and colors like black, blue, or red. Remember to upload corresponding photos for each variation so buyers can see exactly what they are choosing. Now it's decision time for pricing. You can choose between a single price for all items or variation pricing, where each option is priced differently, like $10 for a small and $15 for a large. Select the pricing method that best suits your business model. Before completing your listing, you'll need to set up your shipping and payment options. Choose your preferred shipping method, whether it's a flat rate, calculated, or even free shipping. For payments, ensure your bank account or Payoneer is linked for seamless payouts. Finally, review your listing thoroughly to catch any oversights. Double-check your title, quantity, variations, and shipping details. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, click List Item to publish your listing. With your new listing live, buyers can start purchasing multiple items right away. Don't forget to track your sales and manage your inventory as stock levels change. Keeping your information up to date is key to running a successful eBay shop. And that's it. You've successfully set up multiple listings on eBay quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.